Two pressure washers from AliExpress. Big claims, but who is telling the truth and who is lying? So let's test it out in today's video. If you find the content helpful, please subscribe and leave a like because we are so close to 500 subscribers. Full review for both of these products you can find on my channel, so please, welcome. In this video we're gonna focus on the water flow, so let's check what do they claim. So first one, Aoresac claims 6 liters per minute, and the Yofidra pressure washer claims 4.1 liters per minute. It's lower, but let's see the real results, right? In this test we are focusing on the water flow only because it is what you need to wash off this soap from your car. And the test condition is gonna be the same for both, so it is 5-meter hose, 40-degree angle nozzle, and 1 minute. We are comparing today this Aoresac pressure washer from AliExpress with a full battery for $45 and 40-degree angle, of course, nozzle, and this Yofidra pressure washer for $55. Again, full battery and 40-degree angle. There won't be any cuts, so let's start with Aoresac, full battery, 1 minute, and let's go! And I hope you can see it, that the real result is only 3 liters per minute. It's like double, really, it's like just 50% of the claimed. So not very good result in my opinion. Let's go to Yofidra pressure washer and see, is it gonna be same? And for your Yofidra pressure washer we can see that the results are much closer to the claimed one. Still less, I think around 3.9 liters, not 4.1, but still much closer than Aoresac. In the conclusion, what I wanna say, if you are choosing between these two cordless pressure washers, I would prefer to choose Yofidra. Yes, it is $10 more expensive, but you have bigger batteries, you have better quality, you have less plastic smell, you have battery indicators, and performance much closer to the claimed performance. So if you're choosing, I would recommend Yofidra pressure washer. Please ask me any questions about these pressure washers in the comments, and see you in the next video.